Ricky Blue 82, what a do, Scooby Doo, like a Jew, fondue, barbecue.
Every year I take my kids for the 4th of July to buy fireworks. But yesterday they went by themselves and they bought all of this. They don't need me anymore. And that hurts a little bit, but it's okay.
Hey guys, and then 4th of July, no, that was my part. And then you're like, yes, 4th of July, and then you said, love it.
Okay. It's finally that day again. It's
4th of July!
Hey everybody!
4th of July!
Outfit check. Sure.
Hey, Pato, ¿cómo está, vlog?
I have this. Got some butterflies. All these. I got these spinning up in the air.
Do the twirly. Do, 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 do. Gas station. I met up with Josh. We got both of the families with us, and Dave's with us. We got Pastor Boris over here, David, Josh, our 2 trucks. The fireworks show is gonna be over here. And we have a lot of people with us.
Happy 4th of July!
In the parking lot. That's Joshua's daughter and that's my daughter. What's up, fellas?
What's up?
What you buying?
Trying to cut a deal.
Oh my god, you guys are wearing the same dress!
Skyler, we are! We're matching!
Was you ever to a fireworks show?
That car is too bright.
Hey, Vanna! How are you? The backpack? This is the one you want? Let's see if they'll pay for it. Bro, did you pay for this?
Yeah, I got it.
Thank you, bro. God bless you.
Look here, 1 second, one more. 1, 2, 3.
We got Garage Boys here.
I'm not Garage Boys. I'm not Garage Boys. That's my brother. All right, yeah, we're gonna bust it up at LA Fitness.
If tomorrow all the things were gone, I'd work for all my life, and I had to start again with just my children and my wife. Thank my lucky stars to be living here today, 'cause the flag still stands for freedom and they can't take that away. And I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me. And I gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today, 'cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA. From the lakes of Minnesota to the hills of Tennessee, across the plains of Texas, from sea to shining sea, from Detroit down to Houston, and New York to LA. There's pride in every American heart, and it's time we stand and say that I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me. And I gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today, 'cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA. And I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me. And I gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today, 'cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless